Good afternoon. Take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also pretty well. Today I make a kite. That is why after that I came to our room. Then I think of that right now I will fly. That my kite is fly or not? I see my kite is fly.
Okay, it's flying very well. So I think after 1 year later, you have made it. Am I right?
Yes, all right.
And last year, I have bought this natai for you.
Yes.
And I didn't. First time I thought that I will destroy it, and finally decided that no, I will not destroy it. And next year I will fly kite. And again, you are studying flying kite. So how is your feelings?
So my feeling is well.
Feeling is well.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, a bit you will fly kite. Am I right?
Yes, I will fly kite every day.
Every day in the afternoon time.
Yes.
How many hours will you fly?
I fly whenever I get free time. Actually, afternoon time is my free time. I fly in the kite. I fly in the sky. I fly in the sky. My kite in the afternoon time.
Okay, that's great. Do you want to say any more?
Yes.
Do you want to say any more? তুমি কি আরো কিছু বলতে চাও?
No.
Okay.
If you ask me, I will answer you.
No, I don't have any question. Just keep flying, and I think those who are watching this video, they are also enjoying it. Look at the kite; it's flying very well. It is the first time he is flying kite, and I'm also enjoying it a lot. And hopefully, you will also enjoy it. Thanks for watching. All the best.
Sevemem kimseyi sen gibi.